Hey, so we finally got the correct subframe, which is exciting because that means that I can actually start working on this again and not have to wait for these delays. So, let's start taking out the old one. Alright, got the front radiator support off. Now it's time to hoist up the engine a bit. Gotta undo the motor mounts. Now for the fun part, trying to drop the steering rack bolts. That isn't gonna be fun with the car on jack stands. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it comes out. I need to block the back of the car. It seems to be rising. Alright, attempt to number 2. Alright, it's free. Floating in the air. Next, we're going to take out the 4 bolts in the subframe. Hopefully it's actually that easy though. Alright, steering rack's off. Now all that's left is to actually get the subframe to fall out. Oh, it's still okay. Yeah, so here we've got a lot. Carry this back. Edit it. Okay, go. Ow, that's my tail. Slower, slower. Go.
Oh, great.
I don't know, it's difficult. Well, there they are. There's the difference between the 2 subframes. Literally, it's like 6 inches. Got it in, all finished up. Look at that, it made a huge difference. That was definitely the problem. Yeah, so I kind of stopped filming and just kept working, and then I ended up forgetting that I was making a video, but it's in, it's ready to go. We can start moving on to some fun parts, some new stuff. And it actually looks good in there now. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video. And yeah, stay tuned. There it is on the ground for the first time with an engine. And the first time since I brought it home about a month and a half ago. Pretty cool. It's going a lot faster than I thought it would have.